Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Science teacher of class 4 from Ismailia Youth Services School. And I hope all of you listen me carefully. Okay, student, before starting the class, please listen the instruction that you need to follow. You need to be listen carefully. If you have any question and query, please use chat box. I will answer you in last 10 minutes. You must have your science textbook. Do all homework in your first term fair science copy. You should have. Use hand free if you use mobile and headphone for computer use. Take care of time for attending the class. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to join the lecture again within 5 to 10 minutes. Now, come to the content. Open your textbook. Open your textbook. All of you know about the new textbook, the third edition of your new Oxford Sciences. Okay, and the class 4, the first unit is the human body. Okay, student, open your book, page number 2. The lesson is page number 2, the human body. Okay, now I will share today's objectives. Today's objectives. Okay, student. Our today's objective, student should be able to explain briefly the functions of the cell, tissues, and organs. To identify, explain briefly the function of the cell, tissues, and organ. To identify the functions of some important bones of the body. To explain the function of the human skeleton. Okay, student. First of all, we are learn about the cell, tissues, and organs, and then we explain the important functions of the bones of the body. The explain the function of human skeleton. Okay, human skeleton, all the bones in our body makes up our skeleton. You know about the skeleton? All the bones in our body makes up our skeleton. Okay, friend? Okay, now we are share the cell. We are share the cell. Okay, here are, look, observe the picture. In the picture, there is the plant. Here is all the animals. Okay, and both are human being. It means all living things. Human beings, animals, and plants. All living things are made up of cell. All living things are made up of cell, and the human body is also made up of the cells. Cells are the smallest building unit of the living thing. We can't see with our eye. We can't see with our eye the picture of the cell. Okay, we see only under the microscope. Okay, student, the cells we can't see, but the smallest unit of the body is called the cells. Okay, smallest unit of the living thing, human body, animal's body, or the plant cells. All these living things are made up of the cells. Okay, student, all of you understand how our body is made up of? Our body is made up of cells. Okay, now we have bone cells, muscle cells, heart cells, blood cells, and so on. Bones are made up of the living things. Bones are cell. First, we learn about the cell. Okay, cells are the smallest building unit of living thing. Open your book, page number 2. Here is a picture of nerve cell. This is the nerve cell. Okay, this is the red blood cells in the bones. The red blood cells are made, and these are the epithelial cells. Okay, these are the epithelial cells, nerve cells, and the bone cells. The red blood cells are made within the long bones of your body, of your skeleton. And the red blood cells, these are the red blood cells. Okay, these are the smallest building units of the living thing. Then we are learn about the tissue. Tissues are cells group together to form tissues. What is the definition of tissue? A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. Tissues can be Tissues can be muscular, connective, nervous, and epithelial tissues. Bone is a connective tissue. Okay, look at here. First, we explain the tissue. The group of cells comes together to form a tissue. A tissue, we are define the tissue by the specific words. A tissue is a special group of cells which perform a similar job. Tissues can be muscular, tissues can be muscular, connective tissue, nerve tissue, and the epithelial tissues. In your book, page number 3, all of you all of you observe the picture of the nerve tissues, muscles tissues, epithelial tissues, and connective tissues. We are learn about the different types of the tissues. Okay, the nerve tissues. The nerve tissues are send signals to and from the brain. Nervous tissues. What is the functions of the nervous tissues? Nerve tissues are connect to each other and very complicated network of the signals. They send the signal to and from the brain and connect muscles tissue bring about the movement bring about the movement muscle tissue. For example, cardiac muscles, skeletal muscles, and smooth muscles. These are the types of muscles. Okay, and these are bring about the movement. Okay, student, all of you understand the movement of the muscles, and the muscles tissues are a smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and skeletal muscles. Okay, now the connective tissue. Give the connective tissues, give the shape of the organ and hold them in a place. Hold them in a place. Okay, connective tissues are those tissues which are give the shape of to organ and hold them in a place. Fats and other soft padding tissues, bones, tendon, all these are the connective tissues. Okay, what is the function? The function of the connective tissues give the shape to organ and hold them in a place. And where it is formed or where it is present, the fats and other soft padding tissues, bones, tendons, these are the connective tissues. Okay, now we are learn about the epithelial tissues. Epithelial tissues covers some parts of the body. Covers some parts of the body. Okay. What is the function of the epithelial tissue? ये cover करते हैं some parts of the body को. For example, epithelial tissues, epidermis, outer most layer of the skin lining of digestive tract organs. ये मैंने आपको बताया some parts की cover करते हैं internal lining of the डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक यानी डाइजेस्टिव ट्रैक के जितने भी इंटरनल लाइनिंग होगी वो एपिथेलियल टिश्यूज की बनी हुई होती है। और स्किन, अपर स्किन, स्किन की लेयर जो होती है वो एपिथेलियल सेल्स की बनी हुई होती है। ओके स्टूडेंट, epithelial cells, all of you understand, covers some parts of the body, especially on the skin. Epidermis layer of the skin, uppermost layer of the skin is made up of the epithelial cells, and the lining of the digestive tract organs. digestive tract की lining में कौन कौन से organ शामिल हो गए? Mouth, trachea, stomach, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the rectum. All these are the organ of the digestive system, and inner lining of the digestive tract organs is made up of the epithelial tissues. All of you understand what I tell you? Internal lining of the digestive tract organs is made up of epithelial tissues. Okay, now I will move forward. Organ. What is the organ? The group of tissue that work together are called organ. Collection of the tissues united together to perform a particular function is called an organ. Okay, ओके स्टूडेंट, कलेक्शन ऑफ टिश्यूज, बहुत सारे अगर हम टिश्यूज को कलेक्ट करते हैं, यूनाइट टुगेदर, एक जगह जमा करते हैं, टू परफॉर्म अ पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन, एक खास काम अंजाम देने के लिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड द ऑर्गन. On the page number 4, the look at the picture of the organs. Here is a brain. Brain, that is the lungs, kidneys, both are kidneys, heart, and the stomach. These are the organs, and the main organs of the internal body organ, and they perform the particular function. Each organ is perform the particular function of the body and makes the system of your body. Brain and spinal cord make the nervous system. Lungs are perform the respiratory system. Kidneys are make a system that is called the excretory system or urinary system. Stomach makes the digestive system, and heart makes the circulatory system. It means all these system makes our body. Okay, the different organ makes the different system, and different organs involves in the nervous system, breathing system, or respiratory system, excretory system. Kidneys are involved in the excretory system, or we can say the urinary system. Stomach is involved in the digestion or digestive system, and the heart makes the circulatory blood circulatory system. All these organs are very important organs, and all these organs makes the systems of our body, and all these systems are controlled by the brain. Okay, because the brain is the control system of your body. All the systems are controlled by the brain in order to brain, because all these systems and all the organs, internal organs are involved. The involuntary actions and involuntary actions are the breathing system, excretory system, blood circulatory system, and the digestion. All these are the involuntary actions and controlled by the brain. Okay, now the organ systems. we are discussing about the organ level of the organization. Although each organ has a special function, each organ has a special function. It also works as a part of group of other organs called the organ system. Look at here, the cell, tissue, organ, and then system, and then organism. They makes the digestive system. All cell comes together to make a tissue. Tissues, a group of tissues makes the organ, and organs makes the system, and system make an organism in your body. Okay, student, we are see, the cell is the smallest unit of the body or smallest unit of the body, and same cells makes the tissue, and group of tissue makes the organ, and organ makes the organ system, and different organ system makes an human body organism. Okay, now we are discussing about the organ system, the human body, the different body systems makes the human body. This is the skeletal system, this is the nervous system, and this makes the blood circulatory system, this is the respiratory system, and this is the digestive system, and all these system makes the human body. Human body. Okay, the human body made up of the different systems, and these systems we are discussing about in this. Different organs make the different system, and different organs, for example, bones makes the skeletal system. Nerves, brain and spinal cord, and these nerves makes the nervous system. These the vessels and heart and blood vessels make the circulatory system. Lungs and trachea, nose, and other body parts makes the respiratory system, and this is makes the digestive system. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, liver. So many organs are involved in the digestive system, and it makes the digestive system, and all these system makes the human body. All of you understand? Okay, now we are discussing about the kidney. These are the kidney, ureter, bladder, and urethra. This is makes the excretory system, or we can say the urinary system. Kidney, what is the function of kidney? The function of the kidney is to remove the excess water from the blood or from the body, and also clean the blood. Also clean the blood. The the kidneys are clean the blood and remove the excess water from the body with the form of urine. The bladder is, here is a bladder. Bladder store the urine. They are makes the urine, and with the help of the ureter, here is the urine is collect, and through the urethra the excess water is removed in the form of urine. Okay, student, this is the urinary system, or we can say the excretory system. Okay, student, the kidneys forms the excretory system. Kidneys are helped to remove the excess water from the body, and it also clean the blood, toxic materials in the blood, to remove or clean the blood through the kidneys. Okay. The next system is the nervous system. Nervous system, eye, ear, tongue, and hand and taste. These are the sense organs, and all the sense organs are are all the sense organs are work with the help of the nervous system, the brain and spinal cord, and these are the nerves throughout the body. All these makes a very complicated communication system that is called the nervous system, brain and spinal cord and nerves, and all these sense organs are connected to the brain, and brain tell us what we are see, what we are hear, what we is smell as uh, any smell, and how we touch soft and hard, and how we taste sweet, salty, bitter, and so these are also connected to our brain. They gives the message to the brain, and brain tell us what we are see. The brain tell us what we are hear, the sound of which sound we hear, and which smell we smell, which type of smell, and how we touch the soft, hard, and fluffy, and this is the hot and warm, hot and cold. We are uh, all these we are identified with the help of the nervous system or to the brain. Taste. Taste is four types of taste, and all these four types of taste we identify with the help of our nervous system, or we help with the our of brain. Okay, student, all of you understand? The next organ system is the respiratory system. The lungs, these are lungs. The lungs are situated in the chest. Where is situated? In the chest. And all these nose, pharynx, larynx, bronchi, trachea, all these organs are involved in the respiration. What is the respiration? Okay, all of you know about the respiration. I give the respiration is the system in which we are respiration, the oxygen taking system, or we can say the the whole process of obtaining oxygen, the whole process of obtaining oxygen from the air and using it in the cell to produce energy is called respiration. Okay, now the lungs are involved taking the oxygen from the air. We inhale the air in the lungs, and lungs are responsible to obtaining the oxygen from the air and remove the carbon dioxide from the blood, or remove the carbon dioxide from the body. Okay, and obtaining of the oxygen in the cell produce the energy is called the respiration. Okay, the next system is the skeletal system. What is the skeletal system? Skeletal system. Here is a bone of the skeletal system. Okay, all the bones in our body makes up the skeletal system. Okay, makes up the skeletal system. You know how many bones in your body? In a baby, 300 bones are present in the newborn baby, and after adult we have in the age of adult we have 206 bones, 206 bones in our body. Why it is so? Because as we grow older, some of our bones fuse together to make bigger and stronger bones. That's why in a baby 300 bones are present, but as we elder or older, we grow older, जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते जाते हैं कुछ बोन्स आपस में फ्यूज टुगेदर हो जाती हैं और हमारी बॉडी को बिगर और स्ट्रॉन्गर बोन बनाती हैं, जिसकी वजह से इन अ एडल्ट 206 bones are present in the body. Okay. Okay, now the skeletal system. You know about which bone is the longest bone in our body? No. And which is the smallest bone in our body? Okay, the longest bone in our body is the bone of femur. Thigh bone is called the femur. Thigh bone is the common name and femur is the scientific name of thigh bone. The longest and the strongest bone in our body is called the femur, and the smallest bone in our body in the middle layer. The three bones are present: anvil, stirrup, and hammer. And stirrup is the smallest bone of your body. Where it is situated? It is situated in the middle ear. Okay, student. Where is the smallest bone? In the middle ear, stirrup. And what is the name of the smallest bone in our body? The stirrup. And the longest bone in our body is called the femur. And where it is situated? It is situated in the thigh. And thigh bone is also called the femur. Femur is the longest and strongest bone of our body. Okay, now this is the circulatory system. This is the circulatory system. You know about the circulatory system? All the body vessels, the blood vessels, that is called the vein and arteries, and the heart makes up our circulatory system. Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body, and body uh, uh, all with the help of the vessels, the blood supply each part of the body. The blood vessels supply each the blood supply in each part of the body. Okay, student, that is called the blood circulatory system. The blood vessels and heart makes the circulatory system, and each part of the body, the blood is supplied with the help of the pumping of the blood. The strong pumping of the blood with the help of the cardiac muscles. The heart muscles are called the cardiac muscles, and these muscles are strongly pump the blood and supply the blood to each part of the body, even in each cell of the body. Supply the blood with the help of the blood vessels. These are the blood vessels. These are called the red vessels show the artery and the blue shows the vein. Blood is ये जो रेड आर्टरीज होती हैं ये ब्लड सप्लाई करती हैं इन ईच पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी को, और ये दोबारा ब्लड वापस लेकर आती हैं हार्ट में ब्लू वेसल्स. तो रेड वेसल्स में ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड होता है. व्हाट इज द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड? जिसमें ऑक्सीजन मौजूद होती है. और ब्लू वेसल्स में डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड होता है जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होती है और ऑक्सीजन इज एब्जॉर्ब इन द each organ of the body, and then they are pump the blood to the lungs, and lungs again rich of the blood oxygen, and they are called the oxygenated blood. Okay, student, this is the circulatory system. We are we are in detail in the next class. And this is the human skeletal system. And function of the what are the functions of the skeletal system? What is the function of the skeletal system? Listen. What is the function? Is support the body, protects vital organs, allow movement, store minerals, aid red blood cells production, and the store chemical energy. And look at the page number 5. All of you know about the skeletal system. We if there were no bone in your body, suppose you would be able to walk, run, sit, stand, play football and cricket or make any movement. All the move together makes up the skeleton. It is present in all animals that have backbones. It is the framework of the bones that helps to give the strength and support to the body. For example, backbone are called the spine, helps to the stand straight. जो आपकी बैकबोन होती है वो आपको सीधा खड़ा होने में और स्ट्रेट खड़ा होने में मदद देती है. फ्रेम द शेप ऑफ द बॉडी, आपकी बॉडी को शेप देते हैं. ये शोल्डर्स, ये आपकी रिब्स, all these bones and the legs, leg bones, all these are give the shape of the body, protect some internal uh, organs, protect some internal organs. For example, skull. That's it. This head bone is called the skull. Skull protect the brain. Spine help to stand upright. Ribs. These are called the ribs. Ribs are the framework of the framework and support the heart and lungs. Okay, student. They are support heart and lungs, and all these bones and muscles help to move the body. Okay, student. These, with the help of the bones and muscles and the joints, we move our body easily. Okay, run, walk, sit, stand. All these the movement of our body with the help of the bones and muscles. Okay, now some instruction to follow the how to start your new copy. Science copy must be interleaved and has to 50 or to 60 pages. Must cover with the plastic sheet. Okay. Make a face sheet with black pointer. All of you know in class 4th you use a pen. Okay. So the black pointer used for complete the inner face sheet. On the second page, make the title page of the first term, May to November 2020 to 21 to 22. On third page, make a title page of unit number 1. What is the unit number 1? The human body. Write all the question with black pointer and all the answer with blue ink pen. All main headings with black marker, tempo marker, and all subheadings with blue marker, blue tempo marker. Do the work in print handwriting. All of you know in our school print handwriting is allowed, and we are all follow the print writing, handwriting. Okay. After it, we are discuss about the homework, define the cell, tissue, organ system, explain the function of a skeleton, choose the correct answer from book, matching the column, and fill up the blanks in your book, and question answer in fair copy. Okay, student? All of you done? All of you take a screenshot for homework.